Hey guys, welcome. So, how do you add bank account to your PayPal? This is going to be really quick and really simple. So, bear with me in this one. On your PayPal account itself, go ahead and open it. Make sure you have internet. And on the front page itself, on the wallets, you could just basically click on here you go, add bank and cards. You could just basically click on add new and that'll do the trick here for you. Now in here you could add banks or debit card or credit cards. Obviously this video is entitled to the debit card, so we'll just click on that, the one at the bottom here. And once you're done with that, it'll going to be asking for your password to continue, and that's just basically it. You could just basically add the debit card infos there. Just enter your CVVs and such, and yep, that's pretty much it for the video. So thank you so much for watching this short video. So please subscribe to this channel, and you guys have a nice day.